Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can apply or add an accent to your, or accent mark to your words and texts on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me go with that example text here. Highlight the part of the text, or you may go with the entire line. And let's say, for instance, you would like to, I don't know, add an accent only to one specific letter, like these marks just above the letter. If you want to do this, you can add an emphasis mark. To do this, guys, you will need to right-click into the given text or selected letter, navigate to character, next navigate to font effects to the left, and here under effects, click into emphasis mark and choose accent. And you will see the preview below. Click into OK. And that's it. Now the accent mark has been added only to the selected letter. Now, of course, if you highlight the entire word or the entire line, you would see these accents actually everywhere. So I'm going to add it only to this letter for demonstration purposes. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some real value from it. And we'll see you next time on our channel.